Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Cashapp. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Cashapp application, and then you might be asked to log in using your PIN number or your biometric. Just go ahead and log into your account, and then you will be taken into this homepage. Now, once you're on this homepage, you can directly type in your desired amount and tap on the request button to receive money from anyone on Cashapp. You will simply need to type in their name or their Cashapp tag or phone number or email address, and then tap on the request button at the top right corner. Now, if you already have some amount that you want to withdraw from Cashapp into your bank or your card, then simply tap on the home icon at the bottom left corner, and then you will see your Cashapp balance. Now, underneath the Cashapp balance, you will see a cash out option. Now, if you have already set up your account information, then you can simply tap on the cash out option and you will receive your cash on your card or your bank account. If you haven't done that, just tap on account and routing and then tap on banking details to add your card or your bank account information, and then you can simply tap on the cash out option to withdraw your money. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to withdraw your cash on Cashapp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.